Well, guess what's happening right now? I'm drinking coffee and my computer's updating. And yes, I do have a spoon in. That's gonna be my first impressions. Well, that was definitely anticlimactic. I guess we're gonna wait another 48% for the updates to finish. In the meantime, I might just refocus my phone. That's better. Hey, 73%, it's actually going quite swift. Some of you probably know what's gonna happen. Yes, this is a Windows 11 welcoming party, because I decided to go suicidal and install Windows 11 right now, because why not? After all, who wouldn't resist a dock in the middle of the screen and nicely rounded Explorer windows, right? Plus, it turns out that my computer qualifies it, so... Also, that makes it second time I'm reinstalling Windows within 7 days. This is my favorite coffee mug. It has a bicycle on it. It's out of focus, but I'm not going to move it because otherwise we might miss something exciting on this blue screen. By the way, any reasons that they didn't change the color of the screen? Okay, 100%. It's all about to go down. Been told there is no Cortana, so it's going to be a nice and easy setup. Oh, look at this. It's like King Lion thing with a nice font and everything. Should we log in? Let's see what's missing. Ugh. It's a beautiful, beautiful screen. Right? And it doesn't have my picture. That's disappointing. Maybe I didn't update it. Right. So, back to being comfortable, because it might take a while. After all, it's Windows, right? Yes, this is how I'm gonna name this video, Windows Reveal Party. Oh, come on. It's almost like watching paint dry, or just watching my regular live stream, so I guess it's good that I didn't do it as a live stream instead. By the way, in order to do it, you have to register as an insider on the Microsoft page, then go to updates and switch over to insider version of the Windows, and then enable TPP or TPM. Oh my god, there is a duck in the middle of the screen, guys. Oh, look at him. Look at him. That's probably gonna be the first thing we're gonna move. We're gonna move the duck to the side, because no, definitely not gonna be there. Okay, so probably seen everything else, because why not? You know. Ah, the corners. No, do we have a corner? Where's the Explorer? Yeah. Well, where's my Explorer? Can I like... Ah, there it's here. It's fine. Ah, look at this. Rounded corners. Everyone wanted rounded corners. And some icons instead. Oh god, I'll have to learn how to... Can we have it like snapping? Ooh. That's actually... Ah, look at this. No power tools. No power toys needed. Do I still got my... Let's have a look. My power toys. Yes, I still have them. That's fine. So I can do both. I'm spoiled. What else do we have? Now we cannot move the taskbar. I know that's abomination. Whoever's moving that taskbar on the side or else. Taskbar settings. Let's take a look. Pen menu. Don't want it. Widgets. What are the widgets? taskbar behavior, taskbar corner overflow. Oh, there's so many options in here. Automatically hide, taskbar alignment. Oh, look, left. Oh, you can't have the right. Oh, that's more like it. Okay, can we have like a program all apps? And then there's a menu with all apps. Alright. Okay. Alright. I hope everything is working. I mean, like, is my website even loading? Of course that needs to be checked. Yes, my website is loading. It's beautiful. Oh, the life is fantastic. Alright, enough of this bollocks. It's time to start using it. I've got some writing to do. So that's it. That's the Windows reveal party, guys. And yeah, I've been Matt, and that was not enough tech. See you later.